You can see that the welcome sign was blown out. There is caution tape all around this church. And when you look at how it was constructed, we're talking layers and layers of bricks that could not withstand the strength of that Category 4 hurricane. You know, yesterday when the pastor held service outside, he told his members that the church is not the rubble behind us, but it is us.
I am Jake Locksmith, sir, Jacksonville, Florida.
It was an emotional service Sunday held in the shadow of a crumbled St. Andrew. For many members, this church was like a second home. The church was no match for
Jake Locksmith, sir, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is August 16, 2018, 3 a.m.
Including a 91-year-old woman who took shelter in a closet.
I know, I was praying for life. Didn't care about the buildings or the trees.
Blunt's wife, Caroline,
August 16, 2018.
Daughter learned about what happened on Facebook.
Tuesday morning,
He called me
3 a.m.
2 hours after that. He just said, I'm
Jacksonville,
okay.
Florida.
I'm okay. The sanctuary is
Jake
gone.
Locksmith
Okay.
serves Jacksonville, Florida.
Pastor Blunt walked us through what Hurricane Michael left behind. Half of the building
Hurricane
is now gone,
Michael,
but right in the center, standing on top of a
after
podium,
the
the church
damage,
Bible appears to have weathered the storm.
Symbolizes we held up well. God's word endures.
Despite the damage, the church continued in its work, distributing supplies to those in need. Like the rest of Panama City, St. Andrew plans to rebuild, but Blunt says he doesn't need God's house to do God's work.
This is just a building. It's going to get fixed. But the people need us right now, so it's a really good time for us to actually be the church.
St. Andrew has been in this community since 1896. This building, though, was constructed in 1955. The pastor of the church says that its members, about 300, was definitely close before this storm hit. He says now they're even closer, as you can imagine. Everyone just leaning on each other.
A long road to recovery. And that's the overnight news for this Tuesday. For some of you, the news continues, and for others, you can check back with us a little later for the morning news and, of course, CBS This Morning. From the Broadcast Center in New York City, I'm DeMar.
CBS News, original reporting.
CBS News has learned the Saudis are ready to admit they killed journalist Jamal Khashoggi in an interrogation that went wrong. The prognosis for the flu season as the first child death is reported. And we talked to Missouri voters who could help decide control of the U.S. Senate. But first, the headlines in 60 seconds.
Saudi leadership is prepared to essentially say that Jamal Khashoggi was murdered by accident.
Earlier today, President Trump repeatedly touted the Saudi king's denials. Maybe these could have been rogue killers. Who knows?
President Trump and the First Lady visiting areas that were devastated by Hurricane Michael.
To see this personally, it's very tough.
Senator Elizabeth Warren releasing DNA test results to check her claims of Native American heritage. The report indicates that Senator Warren's Native American ancestors between
get my exercise on. Get my exercise on.